Today, I'd like to share with you the new Comra Pro. On opening the packaging, the first thing we notice is the leather pouch. This is a useful accessory for your Comra Pro. The operating instructions. These are very detailed and give you all the information you need to get started, from charging your device, turning it on, and also how to operate and get the most out of the new function button that enables certain user-controlled functions, such as, for example, changing between the healing and the vitality modes, and other functions such as setting the noise level of the beeper or turning it off altogether. So some very useful functions there for user control. At the back are various links, including support and other websites for more information. Turning to the Comra Pro itself, we see that this has a blue box, and the blue is reflected in the little square on the top of the head of the Comra Pro. This blue indicates that this is the Pro 905 version. On the other hand, the 980 version comes in green, and this also has a green flash on the top of the terminal head. Opening up the Comra Pro, we see that it comes in a nice leather case, beautiful and sturdy also for moving. Here we see the Comra Pro itself and also the charging cable. This is a USB-C charging cable that fits into the little port at the end of the Comra Pro. The Comra Pro is very simple and easy to operate. First thing is to slide up the on-off switch at the back of the device. Then we turn it around and we press the yellow start-stop button. We immediately see that two lights come on. At the moment it is set for 5 Hz and 1 minute. And we can change these settings simply by pressing on the relevant buttons. So on the left-hand side we have the frequency, and we have 5 there lit up. There is 50 Hz, 1000 Hz, and variable, which is a rapid shuttling in between the different frequencies. On the right-hand side we have the time. We can shuttle between 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, and 10 minutes. At the bottom is the function button. This enables you to select a range of different functions, including changing between the healing and the vitality functions, and the device is automatically by default set to the healing function. It also enables you to select other settings such as the noise level of the beeper. To start the program, you simply select what you would like to use, 5 Hz and 1 minute at the moment, and then you press the start-stop button. We hear a single beep, and this indicates that the program is running, and the start-stop light is also flashing. Turning it over, we see that the LED lights are flashing in their sequence. In between the LED lights are the magnets in their casings, and the low-level laser itself is right in the center there. Although we can see the laser light through a camera, this is not visible to the naked eye, as it is outside of the normal range of vision. These blue dots indicate the covers that go over the ultrasound transducers, which are slightly beneath them. Once the program has finished running, it beeps twice and switches itself off. At any time during the program, you can pause by pressing the start-stop button. If you wish to terminate a program during the time it is running, then you simply press and hold for 2 seconds. You will hear the 2 beeps and the Comra Pro will switch itself off. To turn off the device, press and hold the start-stop button. You will hear a long beep, and this indicates that the Comra Pro has powered down. Then we need to go to the back again and simply slide the on-off switch into the off position. So there we have it. Very simple to operate, user-friendly and sturdy, the Comrade Pro 905.